This is our 15-hour battery pack with power level display for any backup camera, SKU 88739. This magnetic-based battery pack is 100% weather and waterproof. It is fully rechargeable. With a heavy-duty slim design, this battery can power any backup camera for up to 15 hours. It also has a powerful magnetic base that will hold up to 30 pounds and can stay attached to your vehicle even while you're driving down the road. The blue indicator lights will tell you when your battery is charging and show you how much juice is left in the battery when in use. What makes this battery pack unique is its interchangeable faceplate that will allow you to attach different mounts for different types of cameras. This battery pack comes with everything you need, including a USB-C car charger as well as a home wall charger. And for the first time, we have integrated a large, easy-to-access button on the face of the battery, indicating to you when you need to recharge. With its powerful magnetic base and a 15-hour battery capacity, powering even our most advanced 1080p digital wireless V3 rear view system is a cinch. To use this battery pack, take it out of the box, slap it on the rear of your vehicle, plug it into the camera, and you're off to the races. And yes, you can leave it attached while you're driving down the road. Remember, if you need any extra help, we back you up with our American-based tech support. Don't forget to check out our over 2,500 verified, that is verified, 5-star reviews on Trustpilot. Please call us anytime at 866-966-5550. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Safe travels!